here at the Moxy Hotel in downtown Portland, Oregon. Schindler 5500s. Look at this. Not the greatest sounding.
Elevator is going down.
Love the lights. Just like every Moxy hotel I've been to, these cabs are very nice. Really, for this one, it's just these lights. They're otherwise just very basic stainless steel Schindlers, but still nice. Let's see what this one is like.
Elevator is going down.
Smaller version. Let's see if it switches.
Elevator is going down.
Don't sound the greatest. Oh, no? Oh, it's okay.